Hi, I'm Harvey from the NSBRC and we're here at the National Self-Build and Renovation Show. I'm going to explain to you some of the things that are going on today at the show and why if you're doing a self-build, a custom build, home improvement or renovation project, you should take a visit. When you're here at the NSBRC, make sure you allow enough time to visit our trade village, which hosts over 240 permanent exhibitors. They showcase the latest building products and innovations, which will be really useful for your self-build project.
All self-builders should attend this show as it is a really great opportunity to see every type of product you would require for your build in one place. And also I think the renovation house and the house over there, you can get a real kind of practical view.
I'd recommend self-builders come to the NSBRC because of the fact that it is very focused on self-build. So there are no distractions, as I mentioned earlier, about other things to do with your home. It's all about building and constructing a self-build project. And there's also other people here that you wouldn't get at other shows, such as experts in mortgages, experts in insurance, and so on and so forth. It's a good resource for self-builders.
Before completing a self-build, people really should come to the National Self-Build Centre because it's everything under one roof. You can come back as many times as you want because there is so much technology out there. There's a plethora of decisions to make and just one visit isn't enough. So being able to take advantage of the fact that the centre is here permanently and come to these shows where people have actually been manning their stand allows the information to be absorbed that much more than just turning up to an exhibition that's just held once a year.
You really do get to see everything. They've got really interesting presentations going on throughout the day, so you can listen to talks and see demonstrations of different building techniques and with different manufacturers of different products.
The NSBRC is actually so different to the other types of shows, primarily for the fact that the people come here with a purpose. They actually have a project that's live or it's something that they're looking to do in 6 months or a year. So you end up speaking to a really high quality of person.
They actually have products here that you can feel, touch and use, walk around, look at and get instant information on things, which is really handy.
I love everything under one roof. I love that there's a little hotel I can stay in nearby that's nice and cheap. I found the staff, and this isn't a plug, it is a plug I suppose, incredibly helpful. So from the minute we hit here, the car parking people were welcome. The visitor people had guided us through. When I've got stuck, I've gone and said, I haven't really found out my answers enough yet, you know, and they've focused me right down and given me someone on a help desk that just has completely helped us both understand what the issues are with the house. So helpful, helpful and helpful.
One of the most popular parts of any visit to the NSBRC are our free guided educational tours. We have a new build zone, which shows the story of a new build project from stage to stage, and then a renovation house, which is a full-size house built to replicate something that was built in the 1920s. And as you walk through the property, we show you how to convert it back into a modern family home. We also host a range of shows, courses, workshops and product launches throughout the year, covering a wide range of topics and themes. We'd love to see you soon at the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre. For more information, visit our website.